Find yourself a comfortable place where you can sit or lie down, somewhere quiet where you won't be disturbed. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. And with each exhale, allow yourself to relax just a little more. Feel any tension in your body begin to soften and melt away. Now I'd like you to bring your attention to the top of your head, noticing any tightness or tension in your scalp, your forehead, around your eyes. Gently breathe in, and as you breathe out, let the area completely relax, becoming loose and soft. Feeling a gentle wave of relaxation begin to flow from the top of your head, washing down over your face, around your cheeks, and even your jaw. Allow your jaw to relax and let your lips part slightly if they wish. Now, bring your attention to your neck and shoulders and let go any weight or tension you may be carrying there. Imagine your shoulders dropping a little lower and feel a warm wave of relaxation continue to flow down through your arms into your hands. And with each breath out, your arms become heavier, more relaxed and loose as your fingers soften and rest. I would like you to bring your focus to your chest and feel a gentle rise and fall of your breath. And with each breath, feel your chest and heart space expand and then relax as though you're breathing in calmness and allowing any tension to release on the out breath. Feeling your body soften with each breath, becoming completely relaxed. That's right. Nobody wants anything. Nobody needs anything. Any sounds around you or in the distance just take you deeper and deeper, relaxed. Now, allow that wave of relaxation to move down into your hips, your lower back, and your legs. And with each exhale, feel your thighs grow heavy and relaxed. Then your knees, your calves, finally your ankles and feet. Your whole body is now enveloped in a deep, calming relaxation from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. You are calm, safe, and relaxed. In a moment, I'm going to count down from 10 to 1. And with each number, you'll feel yourself drifting deeper and deeper, allowing any remaining tension to completely dissolve, allowing your mind to gently open and explore. So when you're ready, 10, sinking deeper and deeper. 9, letting go of any last bit of tension. 8, drifting down deeper. 7, feeling more calm and peaceful. 6, sinking even more deeply relaxed. 5, your mind is open, relaxed, safe. 4, 3, 2, and 1. You are deeply relaxed and ready for this journey. I'd like you now to imagine yourself standing at the top of a staircase, and at the bottom of this staircase there's a doorway that leads to a memory, to a place where you experience one of your past lives. This place is safe and you are always fully protected. And as you start to walk down the staircase, each step brings you even deeper into that memory. 10, walking down. 9, deeper into relaxation. 8, moving closer. 7, 6, 5, deeper and deeper still. The deeper you go, the better you feel. And the better you feel, the deeper you go. 4, 3, 2, 1. You're at the bottom of the staircase, standing in front of the door. And as you reach out and open the door, step through. Notice that you're entering a scene from another lifetime. And as you look around, take in what you see. Allow any impressions, images, or feelings to gently come to you. Let yourself be open and curious. As you are now fully in this past life, take a moment to observe your surroundings. Look down at your feet and notice what you're wearing. Feel the texture of your clothing. Notice the air around you, the landscape, or the structure where you are. Perhaps you hear sounds or smell certain scents. Just take it all in. Now, in a moment, I'm going to ask you a few questions, and you can allow any thoughts, images, or feeling to come up naturally in response. Where are you? What does this place look like? What is the time period? How old are you in this life? Is there any other people there, or are you alone? And if there are, who are they? And what role do they play in your life? What are you doing? What is your purpose here, or the focus of your life? Notice your emotions. How do you feel in this place, in this life? Are there any important events happening around you? You may begin to sense something significant about this lifetime. Something that has meaning or holds wisdom for you. Allow this meaning to gently reveal itself. It may come as an image, a thought, a feeling, or a realization. Now I'd like you to focus on your heart center in this past life. Ask yourself, or the wisdom within you in that life, if there is a message or an insight that you can bring back with you to support your present life, something from this lifetime that could offer you guidance, understanding, or peace. Listen quietly. Allow the wisdom to flow to you. Know that it comes from a deep part of yourself. If a message or insight arises, remember it. Trust that you will carry it back with you. Now, in a moment, it will be time to leave this past life memory, knowing that you can always return if you wish. And as you say a gentle goodbye to the scene, to the people you may have met, and the wisdom you've gained, now turn back toward the staircase. And with each step up, you'll feel yourself becoming more and more aware of your present surroundings, bringing with you any insights or peace you've gained from this journey. Now, 1, 2, beginning to return. 3, 4, feeling the present around you. 5, 6, becoming aware of your body. 7, 8, feeling more awake. 9, 10, you're back, fully awake and aware, bringing with you the insights you've received. Take a deep breath in and allow your eyes to open in your own way, in your own time.